this is a box from Little Rebel in the one-person company in Spain. She makes DGD sculpts, head sculpts, and this one is Kashi sculpt with a face up, and it's for a SD13 body, so I still need to get a body for this. Nice little box. Okay, what does it say here? Thanks. I hope you like Kashi. Very hard to film that. Okay though, how do you open this? That's the button. Okay. Oh, okay. I've ordered a body, and I hope it'll be the right size. I don't know about the colour. This is a white skin, but it's supposed to have a lot of blushing, so it's probably pink-ish. God, oh, she's beautiful! Oh, look at her. Yeah. No eyes. I've ordered some eyes and eyelashes. Oh no, the light isn't too good. It doesn't actually do justice to the face up, but the sculpt is turn the hand. No, that's worse. Oh, you can see her freckles. So I'm gonna get some eyes and put them in. Lovely.